Hey stars, welcome and welcome back to the channel. It's Somto here, and if this is the first time you are coming across me, hey love, how are you doing? It is so lovely that you stopped by today. Please do well to stay, okay? Because I promise you on this channel I have a lot of fun, beautiful, gorgeous, unique, bold, interesting short hairstyles and haircuts for my black queens, and a lot of other fun stuff. Like recently we have started incorporating fashion and makeup, beauty, transitions, a lot of things that you are going to love. So do well to click on the subscribe button, okay, to join this wonderful family. Okay, trust me, you are not going to regret it at all. OMG stars. You see, you can already tell that I'm so happy because I am super excited. You guys, I have drum roll. I bring the most beautiful, the most adoring, bold, gorgeous, unique short haircuts and hairstyles for my oldies. Yes, today is for my gold. Okay, you know my oldies are my goldies, and I don't play with these ones. You see these ones over 60, they are my golds. Okay, here on this channel these women are so I so prioritize them. I so love them. I love all my black queens, but you see my golds, okay, do not go there. I love these women so much. I love the figure, I love the strength. They, like, just watching them you can already tell of what they're saying, even without saying it. Just by looking at them you can already feel what they're saying. And these women are so beautiful, they are so gorgeous. I love my oldies so much. Okay, and today I have something stunning for you guys. You all know that I don't come here to play. When it comes to my oldies, I can never come to play. Okay, I hope you love these ones as much as I did. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a big thumbs up, comment. I like to know which of these hairstyles was your favorite. Okay, and please share this video and make my oldies feel like the pure gold that they are. I love you guys so very much, and I will leave you to absorb in this gorgeousness. Okay, till next time guys, I will speak to you all. Bye stars.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.